In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project portfolio in Smartsheet, Portfolio View 2026. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. This is where everything begins. If you already have an account, log in using your usual credentials. If you're using single sign-on, follow your organization's prompt. This part is quick. Just sign in so we can get to the main workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on your homepage. Think of this as your command center. From here, you can see recent items, favorites, and anything your team has shared. We're going to create something new, so look for the option to start a new project. Click that to open Smartsheet's creation panel. On the creation screen, you'll see a section called Start with Popular Templates. Templates are the fastest way to launch a fully structured setup without building everything from scratch. Click View All Templates to open the full gallery. This will make it easier to find the exact layout we want. In the template gallery, use the search bar at the top and type Project Portfolio, or browse until you see the Project Portfolio option. This template is designed to give you a high-level view across multiple projects, with reports and dashboards that roll up status, timelines, and key metrics. Selecting it saves a lot of time and ensures consistency across teams. Click the template to open a preview. Take a moment to scan what's included. Usually you'll see a combination of sheets, reports, and a dashboard designed to work together. When you're ready, click Create from Template. Smartsheet may take a moment to generate everything behind the scenes, especially because a portfolio solution includes multiple linked assets. That's normal, just let it finish setting up. When the template finishes generating, you'll be taken directly to its editor workspace. This is your new portfolio environment. You'll see the core sheets where projects live, summary fields that roll up to portfolio level insights, and reports that aggregate tasks, risks, or milestones across your entire suite of projects. The dashboard ties it all together with charts and widgets that update as your data changes. Spend a minute clicking into each item to understand how they connect. The structure is designed so you can track at both the project level and the portfolio level without rebuilding formulas yourself. That's it. You've created a project portfolio in Smartsheet using Portfolio View 2026. From here, you can start populating your projects, and the roll-ups and visuals will follow automatically as you add real data.